Hello, my name is Caden, and I have some news about the old Beaterville here. So I'll just go out and say it. The Beaterville, or better known as the Bonneville, is officially retired from service 33 years later, and let's see, 351,697 miles. I've already started the teardown process. So gauge cluster gone, headlight switch, no radio. I'll eventually get this HVAC unit out here. Probably quite a few things on the interior, but I guess let me tell you why it's getting junked. So it's actually not the engine, although the engine did start having trouble, something along the lines of the ignition system or the crankshaft sensor was kind of giving me trouble again, the intermittent stalling issue, but that's not the reason it's being junked. The engine actually still does run, and it runs very well. Transmission works and it shifts pretty decent, but there's a hint of it there. The reason it is getting junked is down here. So as you can see, this rocker's gone, but don't worry, it gets better. There's more of the rocker, but here is the rest of it. So the subframe dropped out of the body here. I had removed this one mount to see if it was possible that I might be able to just stick another one in there and get some metal to weld around, but honestly there's really not much good left of it, really. I mean, up higher, yeah, but like back here, nah, the whole floor is rotted, and it's all because of this pesky road salt that gets stuck to it and it just eats it away completely. So yeah, unfortunately this thing is just not it's not safe to drive anymore, and it was already having trouble staying running again anyway, probably from sitting for so long. I haven't been driving it very much, but yep, the 1990 Pontiac Bonneville is retired officially. I know I did a lot of videos on this car on this channel, and I really did have a lot of fun doing them, and I'm kind of upset. I mean, it was kind of a hard decision for me, but it was definitely time to just let it go. I got quite a few miles out of it, and that's more than most people could say about any car. So yeah, I'll have tons of parts. Not everything is for sale, and I don't know if I will start selling parts yet, but I hope to find another one day, maybe. But it doesn't hurt to ask or leave a comment, I suppose. But yeah, the Bonneville is just no longer. But I do still have this guy over here, so most of my videos will now be focused towards this Oldsmobile 98 or even my Buick LeSabre here. So I'm not quitting or anything, but it's unfortunate that this car will no longer be a part of the videos though. So this will be the last that you will probably see of it, or you'll see it as a shell of itself on a trailer before it goes off to get crushed. So yeah, it was a good life, and I got these plates for it too, so I think it'll be kind of cool to keep those. I'm gonna keep a lot of stuff off this car, so especially these bad boys, because we all know how hard it is to find those in decent shape. So anyway, thank y'all for watching, and I just had to share the unfortunate news, but Don't worry, we're never done.